Walking through the winter wind, holding each other close, gently linking fingers, chilled by the night. Speaking very little, our breath turning white, only our two shadows stretching out of sight. The time to say goodbye is drawing near. A fragile flame is trembling in my heart. If only we could make this moment stay. How I wished we'd never have to part. The moonlight softly shines upon your face. Your